Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. First thing first, I just want to say I'm sorry because I don't really upload videos on YouTube often. Reason because I'm not like buying bags in a monthly basis. I don't do that. I only buy things that I really like it and I've been thinking about it for a while, then I'll get my hands on it. Now for this bag, I've been thinking it, I've been like looking it around and I'm like, should I get it? Because I've been thinking about it for non-stop. So it was really kind. My essay packed this nicely for me. So this bag, as mentioned, it requires customization and you have to wait it for 2 months. I think I waited for about 1.5 months to get my hands on this baby. I'm so excited to open it up and I'm really very happy to get this. Now let's just do the unboxing, shall we? Okay, here we go. So what bag did I get for myself? I got this. Let's see. I got this LV Bumbag in the World Tour version. As you can see, it is in this black trim. I've been thinking about it and you know, I should get the regular version or I should get this instead. And I've been thinking, watching Kat's video. If you haven't know, Kat, thank you so much for the video. Your video has been really helpful for helping me to get what I really needed. Because you say that we are staying in a hot, humid weather like Singapore or Malaysia, and this, which is the vegetable leather, when you're sweat and you're carrying a crossbody, you're just gonna oxidize the leather and it's not gonna be so pretty, right? So I'm so glad that they come with the World Tour version where it is the black one. And can you guys guess what did I did? There's a stickers that you can choose and customize, but for me I didn't. I only did one on the behind here, and this is what I chose. So you want to do this customization, minimum you need to have one icon sticker. So I choose the behind. It's more like classic and you can't really see. Depends on your style. I find it is quite nice to have everything, but I like to have the classic taste, and that's the reason why I choose the one that is without. So let me take a close-up look at this. Wow. Really happy. Wow. Actually I was thinking if I should get the, what is it, the, forgot the terms called, inserts. Do I have to get an insert for this baby? The one that I saw is from Samogar and then from Suni bag they do have as well. I'm not too sure if I want to get an insert for it because this bag is meant to be slouchy, like kind of like soft. But if you were to put the insert, it's why it'll be very structured and kind of have the shape there. I'm not too sure if I like that. Let me remove this. Yeah, and you can see the inside is a pretty red lining. I love it so much. It comes with this. Okay, let's put it here. And my one is not in front. Yes. Let's remove this as well. Wow. Okay. Done. Yes. So as I think moving forward for my videos, of course showing you like that is not so detailed, right? I will also do a close-up video using a camera so you can really see the details of the bag and to really see what you like about it, and you can see up close personally from me. So not too sure what else to expect, because I believe there are a lot of videos out there telling you in depth about this bag details. You can go and refer to them, and I really think they did a good job in explaining this Bumbag, and that really helps me in determining on getting this bag. And yes, I will love this very much. I can use it like this, and even it's for unisex. Unisex means you can get your husband, your partners, your boyfriend, or even your papa to carry this for you in style. So yeah, I'm so happy. So let me know if you have any questions regarding this bag. I will try to answer them for you. So meantime, stay blessed, be happy, and God bless always.